Hello everyone, welcome back. Fauzan here, and I will give you another example for making a Doodles program in the Cyberpi. This is the shape of the triangle. If we press A button, and here we go. It can be shaping from the triangle. And we clear the screen. We draw it again. So you can modify it with another program or coding in here, and this is what I do. I add something from the middle press and the joystick. If we press it, the level of Stark Industries. Okay, enough this learning about how to make Doodles program in the Cyberpi, and you can see the coding program for this project in the last part of the video. Thank you.